It has never been easier to start and create an online business in 2023 using TikTok ads in the dropshipping business model. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I took a brand new business from $0 to $1,000 a day of profit. All that I did to do this was I identified a trend in the market that people were looking to buy a certain product. I found a supplier for that certain product and I started selling it using TikTok advertising. In the last video, I spent around $2,000 and I made $3,000 in profit. And in today's video, I'm going to give you an update on the last 7 days since that point. If you've ever wondered what products am I selling, how am I finding them, and how am I even building my stores, continue watching till the end of this video because I have a pretty unique opportunity for those of you who want to actually get a duplicate of this store here that I'm going over in this video and get it directly delivered to you by my team. Now, I'm currently in Albania traveling with my business partners, just getting some business meetings done, and dropshipping has actually allowed me to do this. It's allowed me to have location freedom and financial freedom to the point where I can start brand new businesses and actually make money from them no matter where I'm at in the world. Now, when I started this business model over 5 years ago when I was 17 years old, things were a lot different. And the current strategy makes it so much easier to start dropshipping and actually make money with it, no matter your experience level or your age. You don't need to go hire people. You don't need to go buy a ton of stock of your product before you even know that it works. You basically prove the demand by selling it first. And if it works, then actually your product gets sent to your customers. So how I found this product was I was scrolling through TikTok and I actually saw a ton of videos about this product. And it was a really cool product. It had a unique feature about it, making that actually you can use your phone and be private in public, where a lot of the times you're using your phone and people are looking over your shoulder and they're seeing what you're doing. So this product actually solves that and keeps your phone safe. So seeing that product, I went ahead and went to PP ads, I searched up the product, and I saw other advertisers were actually selling this product. So I proved that there was demand already in the market by other people making money off of these ads. Then I went ahead and found a supplier on Zendrop. Now, what's really important about what I did is I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm not going and finding a new product that has no sales or no proof that it actually sells already. I went and found a product that already had other advertisers and paying for ads to actually make money with their product. I then went ahead and I actually created an offer for my product. I made it $6.99 because I'm getting it for $3.30. So I'm basically doubling the price, but I'm making the offer a lot lower for the customers so a lot of people can actually buy the product. I went and found a ton of videos that were already created on TikTok, put my offer on those videos, and set up TikTok ads in the last video. So that was just testing the TikTok ads. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I'm actually scaling and taking it to the next level now that I made my first $3,000 in just one day. So as you can see on my screen here, we've made almost $12,000 in the last 3-4 days. So this was the first day that you guys last saw, $3,270, and then we went to $3,318. So we've made about $12,000 in the last couple of days, and it's been going very good. So I'll show you guys a breakdown. So first day, obviously we went over this already. We spent $1,274, and we had a cost of goods sold about $828. So altogether, with the $3,270 of revenue that we made $1,163. Now the next day was a little bit more interesting because our cost per click actually went up, which meant that our ads should have been more expensive to deliver. We did spend about $500 more, but we made a little bit more, not enough, but we made about $100 more that day. So we made $3,318 on the 14th, and we spent $1,743.80. We had a cost of goods sold about $1,084, which left us with $491 of profit. Day 3, we had $3,860 of revenue, $1,987 of ad spend, and we had $1,145 of cost of goods sold, which left us with a profit of $728. So we actually lost about $400 yesterday. We spent $1,200 on ads, only made $1,467, and spent about $700 on product costs. So we actually lost money yesterday, and that's why I wanted to update you guys on this video here. Now you see, yesterday wasn't as profitable. We actually lost $400 because we spent a lot of money on ads and they rushed spend throughout the day. So that's what happened to TikTok ads, and I want to show you guys what I'm going to do now to actually get this account back to being profitable the 5th day after it started making profit. All right, so we launched our ads with a CBO of either $50 to $100, and after that first day, we got ad sets that actually showed us that they were doing good. And once they started to do good, that's when in day 2, we started to actually do ABO budgets at $50 a day to start, and doing this allows us to actually control the ad set budget. So instead of putting it in a CBO and letting TikTok find the best kind of ad set and the best creative and the best offer, we're going to do that with the ABO. We're going to give it the budget and it's going to do it directly for us. Now, what's also important is that on these new ad sets, we actually went ahead and found them pretty early on. So we found that they were doing well, and then from that point, we actually duplicated them into these ABO budgets of $100 a day. So once we saw those ads working good on the first day, that's when in the second day, we started to introduce these new actual ABO ad sets at $50 to $100 a day. Again, doesn't really matter, but putting those ad set budgets in there separately instead of in the campaign is now going to give TikTok the idea that we want to scale these ad sets. We want to spend more money on these ad sets. We also set bids up for each of these actual ad sets, basically below the CPA. So we're selling this product for $6 and we're getting it for $3, right? So if we're selling it for $7, we're getting it for $3, just $4 in the middle. So it set my bid from $3.50 up to $4, $3.51, $3.52, $3.53. So once you have these winning ad sets, you can come here and you can hit copy, and then you can just go ahead and make a number of copies of 10. Now, once you have your 10 copies, you're going to go here, you're going to select your pixel once again, you're going to select the conversion event, and then you're going to go ahead, scroll all the way down here until where it says budget and schedule. Under budget and schedule, you're going to see bidding optimization. You're going to want to start setting your bids here. So set one of them at 351. You can come back here and you can set another one of them at 352. But this is all again going to depend on how much you're selling your product for and how much you actually get it for, because the sale price minus how much your cost of goods sold is how much you can spend what is left in advertising to actually get a sale. Now, once you do that as well, you can go back to your campaign and you want to actually add these ad sets into a new campaign. You don't want to do it in the same one that you actually originally created. You can come back here and you can adjust the campaign budget. So when you duplicate these ad sets, you're going to want to duplicate it into a new website conversions campaign and set the campaign budget at something like $50 a day. And what's going to happen is you're going to set your campaign budget at $50 a day, but your ad set budget is going to be $50 to $100 a day. And you're going to have 10 of those ad sets. But what's going to happen is when you put them in a campaign with a daily budget as well, it's not going to spend all of that money on those ad sets immediately. There's going to be a set amount of money it can spend because of the campaign budget. And if you start seeing your ad sets doing well, obviously you can increase this campaign budget. You can come here and increase it to $500 a day, $400 a day, $300 a day. That's what we do. And you want to also make sure you're monitoring the actual ad sets. So you're turning off any of the 10 ad sets that you duplicated if they're not doing good for your cost per acquisition. If you're watching the video right now, I have a really cool opportunity for you. So for the next 50 people, I'm giving away the exact duplicate of this store here that made me $100,000 in the last 30 days alone, with the exact products that I'm selling, the exact website template, and the exact marketing copy. I know a lot of you guys were asking me, how do I sell my products? How do I build a website? And how do I do all of that? Well, for the next 50 people here exclusively, for $9, I'll build you the exact store and duplicate it all for you. So go ahead and click the link in the description down below if you want to get access to one of these stores. Again, it's only for the next 50 people. Okay, so I'm going to put on the screen here a couple of tools that you can use as well once you are starting to get some sales on your store to maximize the amount of money that you're making from the visitors and the people who are already buying your products. First thing you want to do is you want to add upsells to your products. You want to add post-purchase upsells so you're not disturbing the actual flow of customers who are coming in from your ads to buy your original product. But this means that people who are buying your products can now go and buy 2 or 3 more products when you add different kind of upsells post-purchase. You should upsell kind of related products that are similar to your product or complementary to them, and you can use the Zipify one-click upsell app to do this. You could also add trust badges to your website to increase your conversion rate. You can look at Hotjar to look at the heat map of the website. So when people are actually going through your website, you can see if they're getting stuck on a certain part of it so you can fix it and increase your conversion rate. For example, a really easy upsell that you can add to your products is a 1-year warranty. You can sell it for $5 and it's a digital good. So you don't actually need to deliver the customer anything for this warranty. So it's purely profit if somebody adds your $5 warranty upsell when they're actually buying one of your products. You can even add a faster shipping method as well, which is a very good way and easy way for you to start collecting more money from people already buying your orders. I also wanted to pop in here and say, guys, thank you so much for all the recent support on my YouTube channel and the videos that I've been uploading. It really gives me that spark and that drive to keep going and show you guys exactly what I'm doing with my own stores and how you guys can re-replicate it for yourselves as well, because I was in that position only 5 years ago. And I remember watching videos like this really helped me. So I really appreciate you guys leaving all the support, and let me know if you want to see any specific videos or anything specifically from my channel in the comments down below. I'm really excited to show you guys myself in the process of taking this store to $10,000 a day. So in the next video, I'm showing you how I'm adding email marketing and SMS marketing to be making an extra 30% to 40% of revenue from the customers who are already coming to my store.